Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today we are doing a Make a Card Friday. This is going to be our first one of the year. Happy New Year to you guys. It is actually New Year's Eve, during the day though. So I am just working on this at nap time. Olivia and Johnny are playing Race right now. We just got a Nintendo Switch and Mario Kart, and so we play Race a lot. She pretty much chooses that for her time, and so I've got a big shout out here from this box. This is the box I've been setting on my desk, and I put my stencils on one side and then like newer stamps or things I wanted to use coming up soon. So I have this image stamped. I really want to color this. This is the Unicorn Birthday Anya. It came with a whole stamp set, which may be in this box, maybe not. I pulled out Valentine's Day stuff and then brand new stuff here. Okay, and so I also, there it is. There is the image. So I really actually wanted to use this big birthday wishes. It looks almost like this scripty one. So I don't know which one I'm going to actually use for the birthday card. I'm going to kind of play around with it and see. I know I want to use the image itself. I am going to color this one. And so that's going to be in the works for today. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to use any accessories or not. Probably not. And then I don't know which sentiment I want on there. And then I pulled out lots of new stuff and Valentine's Day stuff. I did want to make a little hill for her to be standing on. So I've got some new borders that I got. These ones. They are the simple stitched hillside borders. I haven't used them yet. I just want to make one little hill for her to be standing on. And that's it as far as the stamps. Here, I'll set it back up here where I usually have it, just on my desk. And so this is what I'm working with to start with. The Unicorn Birthday Anya set, the Birthday Wishes scripty die cut, and then the simple stitched hillside border. So these are both the green card. This is Lawn Fawn. And I don't know what else I'm going to be doing on here. So I've got a card base I plan on using. Let's see, there we go. I'm just going to use the aqua card base. I do have like a darker color. Oh, I wanted to show you guys before we dive into actually getting started. I ended up having to buy a set of these pockets because Olivia needed one for school. And so I have extras of these. I just shoved all of my little card pieces that I've been holding on to. They're all just in here for now. So if I need a smaller piece for die cutting, I can flip through here and see, and I will sort this into like rainbow colors because I do have quite a few of these little pockets now. And then I can see what I have and use the scraps that I already have. So I was thinking darker scrap to do the actual sentiment. I'm going to go ahead and cut one of these birthday wishes, and I don't know if I'm going to use it or the stamped image, but I want to have it cut down. And I think I will also cut a white one or a cream one to be as like the background layer. So I don't have any white ready. So let's see, do we want cream on there as well? I'm going to cut around this image so there won't be a whole lot of white. But I want to do like a two-layer thing where you see a little bit of the white poking out behind. No, I don't want cream. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a piece of white. When I cut down paper, I like to cut it like this so I have a card base ready to go, and I've just been sticking those there. And then I will cut the birthday wishes out of the white and of the dark color here. And then we will get coloring and assembling. I want to do some sort of decorative background thing. I don't know if I want to do necessarily the stencil. Not that one. Let's see. Where's the one? This one, the boho circle, which is more Valentine's-y. I might do a little bit of that around it with some ink. I don't know. I'm not exactly 100% sure with how I'm going with this. We'll go ahead and get this out of the way for a second and work on die cutting. I might use the purple actually because I like purple with everything. What do you think? I kind of like that. I don't necessarily want it to be green. All right, so I'll cut a hill out of this one as well. So we're gonna have the hill going at the bottom. She'll be standing there, and then the sentiment up at the top in some forms. Paper piercer, get those tiny pieces out. And I do like the idea of having the birthday wishes up high, the Anya down here, and doing some sort of stenciling around her, giving her kind of like a little halo effect. I don't know what colors to use for that. For here, I'm gonna go light brown, I guess light to medium brown. A little bit of that one, and then skin tone. I want to do her dress in some purple. I don't actually have any purple Copics now that I think about it. I might just give her a little pink dress. All right, there it is. I think that's pretty good. Took me a really long time to do the hair because of the braids. And so I'll walk through colors now. I think I showed some of them, but for hair, I used E23, 44, 27, and 29. I did that darkest to lightest there. And then for the pinks, I used my favorite set of pinks are 81, 83, 85, and 89. And then for the unicorn horn, I used from lightest to darkest Y13, Y17, Y35. For the aqua, I used for the most part just BG15 and BG49, but then I threw in a little bit of the BG11 for the lightest sections. And then for skin tone, this is my go-to for white skin. I've got E21 and E00. The E21 is the accent darkening color, and then E02 for the cheeks. And that was it. So I'm going to work on fussy cutting this girl out and getting my card assembled. Just trimmed it down just the tiniest little bit. Stick her on there. I guess I need to score my card to see where the sentiment can go up to. There's the front unicorn, and I don't know if the sentiment's gonna fit. Will it look weird if the sentiment is behind her? Yes it will. Okay, I think we are changing. I'm gonna have to save this for something else though, because I really like these. Maybe my next card will do that. And let's see, let's go ahead and put the sentiment up there. And have her to the side maybe. We'll go with this one. Alright, let's have her scooting over to that side. The birthday wishes up there. And you might hear it's been raining on and off, so it's starting to sprinkle again. And now I'm going to try to make this lined up a little bit. Oh, see, I don't like that at all. Didn't stamp very good at the bottom there because the stamp is brand new. I should have stamped it somewhere else first. You know what we're going to do? We're going to flip it over. Then we can cover, this will be the inside. This will be the outside. Okay, we're going to try again. Hopefully get a better image. I could see it on the stamp here. Hopefully this will be better. It's a little bit blotchy, but not nearly as blotchy as that one was. I will keep that one. And let's assemble this. I do want to pop this up on some dimensional adhesive here. This is just the foam adhesive I got from scrapbook.com recently, and it works really nicely. I'm pretty pleased with it. I don't want anything sagging down. I might use tiny ones for that horn. There, and then I'll stick in a couple of tiny ones so we don't have anything getting floppy. I like that they have the tiny ones too, but they're really tiny. Kind of difficult to work with. One thing I noticed about this is the foam adhesive itself is slightly off-white, so you can really tell which ones have the backing still left on them because they are a different color, which is actually really helpful. All right, so that's ready to go. We're gonna put some ATG on our hill here. Okay, that's the front, this is the back. We want our hill to stay put. Let's attach this. And then get our birthday image. There. I feel like it needs something right here. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a twine. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it through here. See if I can flip this up. Yeah, okay, I'm going to flip that up and put some twine in there. Okay, that'll tie in. I keep hitting the Big Shot handlebar. That'll tie in some of the pink as well. We'll just do a little bow over here. Let's see. How are we going to do this? I'm going to have to slide this under very carefully here. There is my finished card. I think the image itself really stands out there. Not super happy with the sentiment, but it was stamping an ink on a cardstock I typically wouldn't stamp much on, so it leaves a lot to be desired there. It's kind of fadey looking, but other than that, I really like how it turned out. I love this image so much. It's just such a fun one to color, and I love the little pleats in the dress. I think it turned out really nicely. So that's my card for today. I will have the supply list linked down in the description box like always. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Have a great start to your new year. Catch you next time. Bye.